good.
Yeah, you can see it right there, man.
Right there, dude.
It's big. You can hear it too. Listen.
Watch when the lightning strikes, you can see
It's
it.
right there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's not small, it's a big one. See it?
Yeah.
There, you can see it good. Yeah, right over those two. Big.
Danny. Hey, look to your right, straight ahead. It's on the ground. Like it's going toward Farmersville.
Towards Copeville. It's in Copeville right now, probably.
Right there. You see that lightning? You see that lightning? That tornado is on the ground just to the left of it. Yeah.
There goes the power. Well, no. That's not all.
Get some of that. Did you get it on video, Nate?
Oh, I got still coming on video. Come on, Bella.